The iconic Nike Air Force 1 Low, originally designed by Bruce Kilgore in 1983, is returning with a fresh twist as it approaches its 43rd anniversary. For spring 2026, the AF1 debuts in a stunning particle pink colorway, bringing a soft, pastel-inspired tone perfect for the season. This women's exclusive release stands out through its blend of suede, classic leather, plastic details, and a uniform pink palette elevated by subtle Silt Red accents. What truly makes this version special is the bulbous profile swoosh, adding a refined, high-end touch reminiscent of premium collaborations. The mix of materials and the modernized design direction give this release a unique elegance while staying true to the AF1's legendary basketball heritage. Official photos highlight its clean, stylish build, and sneaker fans can expect pairs to drop on Nike.com by April 2026. This is a must-watch and must-cop for collectors, AF1 lovers, and those hunting for upcoming pink sneakers.